Yeah. See that song here now? About what going on in the world today, you get me? Cause this are going, you get me? Alright. Every day man a dead, pay blood a shed. Man a bust copper, man a bust lead. Man a use knife a cut off girl head. Man a lie down in a bed. Why Barney can't stop bad mind fed? Why we can't share the food, every man get a bread. Me no do them nothing, but them want see me dead. When you looking at the road, I pay my spread. People a ball, people a beg. The way the time hard, the way the thing dread. Some now have no heart, some now have no head. Some now have no food, some now have no shadow. We can't live in a love and guide the children. El King Selassie protect the children. Night and day watch over the children. The youth are the future, so love the children. But it's just a lonely boy, she's just a lonely girl. They are alone searching for love. It's just a lonely boy, she's just a lonely girl. They are alone searching for love. It's just a lonely boy, she's just a lonely girl. They are alone searching for love. It's just a lonely boy, she's just a lonely girl. Alright. She's all alone just searching for love. She tell me say she wish she could fly like a dove. And one day if Jehovah now she want no love. And enough time she want to take her life with a slug. She got no one to talk to and no one to hug. And I'm mother tune at the bushes just like a clog. So she grew up in the rail with no one to love. That's why she start bleach, that's why she start rub. But you're just a lonely boy, she's just a lonely girl. They are alone searching for love. You're just a lonely boy, she's just a lonely girl. They are alone searching for love. It's just a lonely boy, she's just a lonely girl. They are alone searching for love. It's just a lonely boy. Yeah. Race.
Alright, the man say, race, you know me, I tell you. Lonely boy, lonely girl, always searching for love. Big one from the man, Hyper. Alright, our first judge right now. Bruce, we're going to start with Bruce first. Bruce, what do you think about Hyper?
Yeah, man. Big up
excited,
Hyper.
you know?
Big up Hyper. You understand? You always come with some inspiring lyrics. You understand what I say? Different from the rest. You understand? Yeah, man. And your projection extremely well. You get me? So I'm gonna give you a 9 on the performance there. Wicked performance. Use up the stage well and everything.
Thank you for that, Bruce. May I tell you, New Abolisher, Hyper.
It's just the lyrics for me still. You know what I mean? I don't know how much person in here so that listen in depth to him as I still. As I say, but for the first me ever hear so something where really deep, bro. You see me? And for the little incident that happened to you on the last show, bro. I do what you have to do and go up on this show and do your thing, bro. Under so much pain. Never normal. It's a solid 10 for me, my lad. You hear that? Yeah, man, for real, man. Big man thing. Yeah.
Thank you, Nero Balisha. May I tell you, Hyper, it's a good look. Alright.
Yo, Vaz. Risk. Yo, Vaz. Bad artist. You see me I deal with? Bad artist. And you talk about Hyper. Bad artist. Love the message. You see me I deal different type of message. Deep. You see me I deal with? Yo, Vaz, and we love and respect the message. One part in the song about the bushes. One part, yeah, flip it real fast, they say, you know. You see me? The part they flip fast, but you know what you say. You see me I deal with, but it never pronounced properly and come out clearly as how you want it to. You see me I deal, come here I listen to everything what you say. You over your projection pan key. What more want you for do, bro? More you change up your voice because you can do it. Go medium high, active, you see me? And everything good. Otherwise, everything good. A solid 9, mother.
Thank you for that. All judges, big up on yourself. Hyper. Hey, may I tell you, hey.